Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to add friends on IMVU application using your mobile device. If you want to grow your IMVU friend list and start chatting with new people instantly, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the IMVU application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in from the home page, go ahead and open up a chat room or a recent conversation that you want to add friends from. I'm just going to tap on this speech bubble icon at the bottom of the screen and let's go ahead and get to the chat room. After finding the chat room, go ahead and select it to join in and click on Join Room. Once you've joined into a chat room, go ahead and select someone and tap on their profile picture and then click on View Profile. And once you open up their profile, click on the Add Friend button right next to their name and their info. And after you do that, the request will be pending. The friend request is sent instantly and you'll be notified once they accept the request. Another way to add friend is by going to the Feed tab at the bottom of the screen, and from the Discover page, go ahead and select the person you'd like to add as a friend. Tap on their name and then this will open up their info section. Simply tap on Add Friend. Now once they accept your request, they will be able to be your friend on the IMVU account. You can also repeat this step from the Recent Chat tabs or from your Activity tab. That's how you can easily add friends on IMVU, whether you are meeting them in a chat room or just by reaching out to them from your following or recent activity list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.